Good morning and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I am with Jethro and a couple friends. We are on a place called Lamma Island.
Yeah.
Lamma? So what are we doing? Where are we going?
Just hiking. Just hike.
Okay,
From
so
one pier one to another pier two.
how high does the mountain go?
Not high, just for maybe 2 hours or.
Cool. Let's go.
Hot or cold tofu?
Huh?
Hot or cold? Hot tofu.
Hot or cold tofu?
This is tofu pho, right?
Yeah, tofu pho. It's very famous.
I don't know. Let's look.
For cold, okay.
So we stopped for a moment to have tofu. So we had the choice of hot tofu or cold tofu, but I think we all elected cold tofu because it's.
This is a very famous place. Look at this. I will show you.
Oh,
Follow me.
Okay, we're gonna follow him. Where are we going? Famous, huh?
People did advertisement because you know this island, a lot of TV drama of Hong Kong, they always describe about this island. They say, okay,
Really?
Today this weekend we want to go outside. I feel stressful about my work. Say, okay, come to Lamma Island. Okay, let's go this weekend. Then sometimes they show this tofu pho. So this is a very famous place, especially the people from mainland. They travel here and say, oh, this is tofu pho. Yeah. Okay, we can
Try this. Oh wow, it's a big bowl. I'm not sure if I'm that hungry. That's like.
just for
Okay, so she put. So apparently honey is on
Yes,
all of
sweet.
it.
You can
So
add
it's gonna
some
be very
honey
sweet.
if you want a much more sweet.
Oh wow, yeah, that's good. Definitely sweet. That's good.
Yeah, you can add more honey.
Add more honey, honey? No. So basically we've been walking for like, I don't know, how long? 20 minutes maybe. So basically I think if we start counting, we will find that maybe 60% of everyone that we're seeing are foreigners. There's like 40% ratio of actual local people. So this is really weird from all different ethnicities you can see. It's really strange. So this island is like the foreigner island. We officially made it to the beach. I don't think we have any plans on swimming, but it is particularly beautiful. Check it out. Wow, there's like nobody swimming. As beautiful and secluded this area is, there's like no one. Do you want to go swimming?
No,
Why not?
because I don't take my shots.
What are those?
This is
Shorts?
swimming shot.
So after we got the drone shot over here, they were making an announcement, and then they told him to tell me that we're not allowed to fly. But as far as because you might disturb other people or you might cause an injury to someone, but there's no one here. So when you follow the tour guide Jethro, you end up having to cross a river to get to the sidewalk. Yeah, how are we gonna get across this? What is your concept here?
Yeah, here.
You're gonna, okay, I gotta see this. Oh, not bad. Yeah, are you part ninja?
Yeah.
Ninja.
It was so smooth.
Yeah, good. So we started to walk up this small hill. Jethro says there's no major big peak here, or at least if there is, we're not going to it. We're kind of going in this direction over here. I don't know what we're gonna see. Oh my God, just walking along, all of a sudden there was something right here. It was a spider dangling from a spider web. Almost landed on my nose, like it was just that far away from crawling up my face. So apparently this is a rain shelter in case it starts raining. Everyone on the island comes and gets under this thing, maybe. I'm not sure. Wow, this is literally really beautiful here. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so we're walking in and look what we walked past. I nearly had a heart attack 10 seconds ago. Look at this. This is, if it opened up its legs, its leg span is bigger than my hand span. Unbelievable. That is insanity. What does the cave say?
Oh, this.
Romer's tree frog. Oh, it's about a frog.
Yeah,
So
frog.
apparently,
Here, the cave here.
It can be found in Hong Kong and everywhere else. Among 22 species of frogs, toads, Hong Kong Rover tree frog is the smallest. So this is there's around here. It's the smallest frog in Hong Kong. About the Cape. Along the coast, 10 meters wide, so it's maybe 10 or 20 meters in. They made the Japanese army took this area as a naval port. The Japanese had a plan to hide some speedboats in here, which would launch a suicidal attack on the Allies' warships if then passed by. Awesome. So more kamikazes are going to come from the Cape. And no, I'm definitely not going in. So apparently today there's a beach cleanup, it looks like. There's a lot of people out here with bags picking up trash, which is awesome. Kudos to them. We just seen a crab crossing the street as we were walking back from the beach. Neat little area, like a little, I don't know, fishing area. So we entered a small town area, and I think we're going to find a restaurant to eat some lunch. Oh my God, we don't know where we're going. I don't know. So we got some dark beer coming, and then you got like, you ordered orange juice, but you got like a whole orange orchard in one bottle, a whole field of oranges. Wait, cheers! Cheers with your orange juice. Cheers. We just finished up lunch, and basically now we're on our way back to the boat. So we then can go back to Hong Kong, and then unfortunately tonight I have to go all the way back to mainland while he stays here. Anyway, today was a bit of a short journey, very short. What was your favorite part of today?
Fly the drone.
Fly the drone. Yeah? Yeah.
Fly the drone.
That was your highlight?
Yeah.
Just to watch me fly?
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I remember. Nature's part is the first.
Oh my God. Yeah. That was not so interesting. I would say that was my least favorite part of today.
Okay.
But yeah, that definitely startled me. I'm not a big fan of spiders. Anyway. Yeah, I would say the shot on the beach when we were on the beach flying. That's a cool shot. That's beautiful. It was a beautiful area for sure.
Yeah, although there are lots of regulations, but we still fly here.
Yeah, I agree. There's a lot of regulations, but I was following all the regulations. It's just some people.
Yeah,
some people
after
are.
we fly, they give us.
Yeah, they say, oh, not in this area. Why? Anyway, that's it. So we're on our way back to the boat.
And then we'll go to another island.
Oh yeah, well that's not going to be part of this video.
Okay.
That's a secret. That's a secret island. That's not part of this video. Anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.